So this is how to fix Formula Car Racing not working or not opening problem. So if you want to fix this game, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then scroll to the bottom, and you are going to find your settings app. So when you find it, just tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on apps and preference or apps and notification or app management. So after tapping on it, you have to wait for some while. You're going to see your apps or app list, and tap on it, and it's going to list your apps alphabetically over here for you to search for the apps you want to fix. So over here, this is where you have to search for the Formula Car Racing app. So you just have to tap over here, then you search for it. So in this video, I'm going to use this demo app to replace this game. So what you have to do is you have to make sure the cache and storage is cleared. So clear the cache and clear the storage all together. After that, go to the notifications, make sure everything is toggled on. Then you go back to the permissions, make sure every permission is also allowed. So after doing this, what you have to do is to click on the mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure the background data is turned on. After turning it on, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After doing this, you are done. So what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some seconds, then you tap on restart or reboot to reboot it, and it's going to work perfectly for you.